Hello everyone. Today my topic Miller indices in crystal structure. In last lecture, my discussion is on coordination number of Bravich lattice. But in this lecture, I will discuss about the Miller indices. Since in crystal structure, lattice points are always lies in a lattice planes. So there are different types of lattice planes in the crystal structure. So for their identification, their position and orientation, three integers are used to identify them. That is called Miller indices. The planes which passes through crystal lattice and intersect the lattice points is called lattice planes. And there are some lattice planes are, this is a one lattice plane, this is another lattice plane, this is another lattice plane, and these planes are identified by three whole integers that is called Miller indices. The lattice planes are identified by three integers that can be determined as follows. First, we find the intercepts made by planes from crystal axis such as PA, QB, and RC, where ABC are primitives but PQR are integers. Step second. Now take the reciprocal of PQR such as 1 by P, 1 by Q and 1 by R, and they are simplified for incomplete integers, that is called Miller indices, and Miller indices can be written in parentheses without comma. No need of comma to separating the Miller indices. If we write the Miller indices 2, 2, 3, then no need of comma between 2 and 2 and 2 and 3. This is a wrong. If any intercept is negative, then their Miller indices have overbar. This is a negative intercept. -2, 2, 1. So their Miller indices is 2 bar. If any plane is parallel to any axis, then their Miller indices is 0. फ्रैक्शन वैल्यूज इज नॉट अलाउड इन मिलर इंडिसेस. जैसे 2/3 है, आप अलाउ नहीं करेंगे, ये नहीं मानेंगे. उस तरह एक इंटीजर में होगा. अब मिलर इंडिसेस हम डिटरमाइन करना चाहते हैं उस प्लेन का जो ओरिजिन से पास हो रहा है. मान लीजिए एक प्लेन का इंटरसेप्ट है 100. इंटरसेप्ट है 100, मतलब जो इसका ओरिजिन है वो है 100. दैट मीन्स एक्स एक्सिस में इंटरसेप्ट कर रहा है एंड वाई एंड जेड एक्सिस के पैरेलल है. Plane cuts the x-axis and parallel to y and z-axis. So their Miller indices is 100. Their Miller indices is 100. They इस point के coordinate होंगे 1, 0, 0. This plane cuts the x-axis and parallel to y and z-axis. So their Miller indices is 100. Now, if he wants to determine the Miller indices of this plane that have coordinate of axis intercepting points, that is a 0, 0, 0. That means x is equal to 0 and y and z के पैरेलल होगा. तो x is equal to 0, y and z के पैरेलल होगा, x एक्सिस को 0 इंटरसेप्ट पर होगा, y और z के पैरेलल होगा. That means 1/0, 1/infinity, 1/infinity. Y और Z के पैरेलल एंड एक्स एक्सिस को 0 पर इंटरसेप्ट करना. That means infinity 0, 0. That is not possible. Like there is a no integer of infinity, so it is not possible that this is the Miller indices of this plane. Show the Miller indices of such plane can be determined as follows. Origin is shifted to this point. मतलब जो आपकी origin यहाँ पर थी, इसको शिफ्ट करके हम यहाँ पर ले गए. जब आप इस जगह origin को शिफ्ट करके ले गए तो इस पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट हो गए -1, 0, 0. That means the plane cuts the x-axis in negative direction -1 and parallel to y and z axis. So their Miller indices 1 bar 0, 0. 1 bar 0, 0. So you can find the Miller indices of the plane which have intersect 0, 0, 0 on x-axis. For their determination, origin is shifted to this point and then the coordinate will be -1, 0, 0. That means plane cuts negative x-axis by -1 and parallel to y and z axis. So Miller indices is 1 bar 0, 0. Now take one numerical example. A crystal have intercept length 3a minus 2b and 3c by 2. So P is equal to 3, Q is equal to -2, R is equal to 3. PA, QB, RC, this. A, B, C हटा देंगे तो that equal to this. रेसिप्रोकल कर दीजिए और ये आपको इसको इंटीजर में सिंप्लीफाई कर लेना. नीचे 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, ऊपर 3, नीचे 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, ऊपर 2, नीचे 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो डिनोमिनेटर में 6, 6, 6 हो जाएगा और ये हमारा आ जाएगा 2 -3 और 4. So Miller indices is 2, 3 bar and 4. Now take another example, a simple cubic lattice. Find the intercept on the 3 planes axis by 1, 3 bar 2. मतलब आपको रेशियो ऑफ इंटरसेप्ट निकालना है जबकि 1, 3 बार क्यू 1, 3 बार 2 मिलर इंडिसेस दिए हुए, मतलब HKL दिया हुआ है. इसका रेसिप्रोकल कर दिए, एच का मतलब होता है 1/p, के का मतलब होता है 1/q, एल का मतलब होता है 1/r। रिवर्स कर दीजिए। अब पी ए क्यू बी आर सी, इसमें ए का मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए, बी का, ए का, और इसमें ए का, क्योंकि ये क्यूबिक है इसलिए सभी जगह ए का मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए। तो दिस इज द इंटरसेप्ट along x axis, y axis, this is z axis. So Miller index, so intercept values is 6 minus 3 2. This is the complete explanation of today lecture.